what I'm saying? It's the, you know, some brothers out here, man. Hey, yo, man. We don't, hey, yo, y'all agree with everything, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, man. What's up, Steve? Hey, what up, man? You know what I mean? But anyway, yo, man. Oh, man. The chicken. Why is there a chicken on top of the car? I don't know, man. I never saw it before, man. First time for everything. This guy is the Adrian.com. The Adrian. You know what I'm saying?
Adrian.com. YouTube. No videos.
And my is
Margaret one.
Yes, sir, man. And the brothers, man, they following your advice, man. They traveling. I think it's a good thing. You know? You know what I mean? But like, yo, man, like I said, I ain't never seen a chicken on the car.
Real chicken. Real chicken. Yeah. I thought it was like a toy or something at first.
Me too.
Yeah, and it's just sitting there and all singled out.
It's not too much down.
You got a tray.
The chicken is sitting. Damn. Live chicken on a cruise.
I kind of want to answer, yo, why is there chicken on top of your car?
I know, right?
That's like bringing his
She's trying to get bitches. Look at these bitches. They're over here knocking at it. Yeah. All they have to do is be like, come on.
Shisabashi, Opa. Mino Suji, Osaka, Japan, man. How y'all like Osaka?
First time. Generation. Good.
No, for real. What? For real. You hear that, folks? Hear that, folks? He said it, man. They have a club called In Free, and it's free for brothers. How do you like that, huh? But you don't have to about little chance, man. How much is that? We're just waiting for this other
Regular dude, I think it's $50. Where is it? Okay. Right down that street. Probably like
oh, well, you know how it is, man. You know GS, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out the GS 350 JPN. You know what I'm saying?
It wasn't
that's my man. You ever been to that's his camera? Alright, yeah, but anyway, these are brothers we out here, man. You know what I'm saying? And, Shisabashi. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be back after these messages. A word from our sponsor. You know what I'm saying? It's good to meet them cats out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Ain't nothing but love, peace. Come on, man. Arigato.